Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to disassemble Bluetooth speaker Sencor SSS 6400N because I couldn't find it on YouTube or practically generally on internet. I decided to make a short video, maybe someone's help. For practical reason, I prepare everything and I show you a couple steps. First, we have to remove this black plastic with NFC module. Don't be afraid, use more power to remove it. There is a clips here, and you can start with this circle. Next, there is a black plastic circle. Just pry it with a regular screwdriver, and I also remove this metal symbol, but I think it's not necessary. Then you have to pry out this rubber. You will need special glue for repair phones, for example, if you want to have it waterproof after fixing. Sorry for my English, but I didn't speak too long. Then you have to remove these LED lights. Just it's a little bit glued, but carefully pry it out and disconnect this cable. Just pull it out from the connector. There is you can find 4 screws, so unscrew it and you can remove these 4 or 3 things. Maybe you can before all you can remove this white thing. Like this. So do the same on the other side, and then you can pull out this this main black plastic with all things inside. You can find six holes here. So unscrew the screws, and then you have to pry out this rubber covering buttons. Oh, screw again. And then you have to unscrew this 6 screws, which is not there anymore because I did it before. So that's the last step before you can achieve the intestines of the speaker. Hope this video helps and see you next time. Bye.